Good morning, Vlogmas Day 6. I kind of always have a bit of a pause before the day. I'm like, 6, yes. I'm in my bed. I was like, you know, I've been quite good so far about making sure I'm at least out of pyjamas before I start addressing to you guys, but as the Vlogmas goes on, and you'll notice from other years, I start caring very little about that. So yes, I am in bed, and this is my pregnancy pillow behind me, and I love this thing so much. I've got a BB hug me, and I just, yeah, it's wonderful. But anyway, that's all very random. So today I was meant to go to the new craft house, which is a wonderful sewing workshop place in East London, and I was going to go and pick up the fabric for my new craft house party dress, because I'm the judge on Saturday for that. But like, honestly, every time I'm about to go there, something completely out of my control happens, and I don't know what it is. It's really strange. It's like something doesn't want me to go there, and I was about to just get up and get ready to go, and my husband Stephen wrote me a message going, do you know that the network's down today? And we're both on O2, which is one of the mobile networks, and yeah, our whole network is down. And it's so weird how I was like, oh no, that's fine then, that doesn't make any difference. And I was getting up and thinking, it really does actually, because that means I can't contact someone if like I feel ill or something happens. But I can't find it because I can't use my GPS, and because I was going to drive. And if I didn't drive, if I went there by public transport, I might like, something might happen and I might need to. So it's so weird that I wouldn't have really thought about any of that or cared, but it was suddenly the fact that I was pregnant that I was like, no, I need to think about these things, because, you know, what if something did happen and I couldn't get in touch? So yeah, it's really strange how I suddenly am aware that I am controlled by this robot. Like, I don't even use my phone very much. I consider myself quite good. Like, so many people use their phones all the time, and I'm like, well, I don't. And I know that my screen time is like 3 hours a week or something. I really don't use it very much. So it's really weird though to think that actually I can't really leave the house without it, because I just feel far too disconnected, and it's terrifying. It's really scary. So I thought I'd stay in bed. Because what else is there to do? No, I am going to get up and do loads of things very soon, but I was going to get up early and go off to the new craft house. So now I've got to work out how to get the fabric to me today, and I think I'm just going to book an Uber to bring it back to me, because I don't really know what else to do there. And what else is new? Oh yes, really exciting. My really good friend and also business partner with the Gabberdashery patterns, Barbara, who I just adore and I think is brilliant, and she comes up with such amazing things, has just launched her seamstress gauge. So it's a measuring tool for sewers, and you can use it for all sorts of things. So you can use it for measuring like hems and seams and everything, but you can also use it in your sewing machine. You can, because it's got little holes in it, so you can put the needle of your sewing machine through the holes, so you can work out different measurements, and there's all sorts. I mean, honestly, this tool is brilliant. She's really thought it through, and I've been with her for part of it, just kind of working out a few things, so I do feel involved as well, and I'm so proud of her, and I just think it's amazing. So that's just gone on sale this morning. Now I feel like by the time this video comes out tomorrow, it might have already gone, because I know that she's only got a certain amount to sell the first time round, but it will come back, and it's just a brilliant tool. It's a great stocking filler for other sewers. It's, yeah, I'm completely in awe of it. So I will put a link to it if it's still available in her Etsy shop. But I just wanted to like give her just a high five, because she's amazing and I love working with her, and I just trust everything she does. She's just brilliant. So yes, so that's happening this morning. And other than that, I'm going to take the doggies out for a walk because I can do that without a phone, that's fine. And then I'll be in the house and I might finally do some cutting out and some sewing, who knows. So yes, I will see you in a bit. Lots of love. Bye. Hobbs, are you happy with it? Hobbs has been inspecting the new fabric. It's just arrived from the new craft house and a lovely Uber driver brought it over for me because, as I said before, leaving the house without data was not going to happen to drive and go and pick it up. So yes, it's just gorgeous. It's an even more kind of rich foresty green, well, emerald green really, than I imagined, and it's got a lovely amount of stretch. And this is going to be 1 kilo, and I'm using the hack that Rather Be Sewing has sent me a video of to make sure that it's over the bump, and the kind of tie of the kilo wrap dress is over the bump. So this is going to be amazing. I'm really excited. So I'm going to get up, have a shower, go and take the dogs out, and then I'm going to start some sewing. Woo!
showed me her patchwork baubles. She's made 65, and now I will attempt to make the 66.
So what are we doing here? So I'm going to show you the beginning stages of how to make a patchwork bauble.
Brilliant.
Okay. So you need a polystyrene base.
Yeah.
Some of the smaller ones I've actually made a paper mache base because we really want to try and restrict the amount of polystyrene that we're using. This is 8 centimeters.
Yeah.
So we want to cut our squares 8 centimeters.
Okay.
That's really the only rule. If you grab your...
Oh my golly gosh, how lovely are our neighbours. They just brought round a box of these, and Helen, who is the mother, said Stephen was telling us about the courier stress and we just feel really sorry for you, so we brought you some chocolates. And I might have already had a couple. But how lovely. I just can't quite get over how nice our neighbours are. They're just brilliant. We love them so much, and yeah, we're very, very lucky to have them. Right, back to the sewing. I'm trying to do the whole like sleeve add-on for the kilo wrap dress, and I just like, I don't know if I was always this slow and confused by things, but for some reason this is really confusing me. But I just talked to Rather Be Sewing, my lovely pregnant sewing friend, and she said, Gabby, go and get your tracing paper and do it properly, because I'm just trying to do a like cheats version where I just stick that on and then like work out how to cut the fabric around it. But she's right, so I'm off to the summer house and I'm going to get some tracing paper and I will do this properly, because I also want to do a slash neck version. So I'll just basically do from that up, I'll trace that and make it like a proper version, and use the maternity hack that she gave me to make sure that the tie is higher, because I think it's going to be more like there. that makes no sense, like there. So yes, tracing paper I will get. Okay, I'm being good, I'm tracing, I'm doing a slash neck instead of the neck that it's meant to be, which is down there, because it's quite a low neck, the kilo, and I'm trying to make it as high as possible, or like slash neck style. I am now, instead of tracing this bit, going to look at the video that the lovely Hannah made for me, Rather Be Sewing, about how to do the maternity hack before I start tracing this. But yes, I've been good.
Gabby,
Yeah.
what day is it today?
The 6th.
Did you have to think about that?
It's the 6th of Vlogmas of December.
I guess you should probably check the advent calendar.
Okay, well lucky I'm dressed. I'm normally just in my pyjamas. Okay. Day 6. Need to turn it round. Ooh. I'm late, Christmas will have to wait. What? Christmas will have to wait. Okay, I think I know where this one is, because we have a white rabbit in the book collection. And there he is, and he's late. And he's got something behind him. Do I need to take him out?
I think you should reach over the top, maybe.
Okay, alright. Oh wow, it's like properly wrapped and stuff. Ooh. I've never had a wrapped advent gift. I don't think you wrapped it.
Thank you very much. No, I didn't. You're right.
It's not really like you to have a bow, that was all. Very pretty. Oh, I think I know where it's from actually. The best place for gift wrapping that we go to. Hobbs, it's for me, not for you.
Hobbs thinks otherwise.
Oh, it's really exciting to get to open a present.
Oh, poor
And
Hobbs.
Christmas has come early.
Hobbs is now
Hobbs, you
sat.
can have the wrapping paper. Hey, you play with that. We will tidy that up later. Oh, and then there's another layer of wrapping. So I fast forward this bit. Okay, wow. Oh my golly gosh. I'm in! Really, I'm in! Oh, he's awesome! Wait, no, Hobbs, wait, no. Oh, he's so cool! Oh, a little white rabbit decoration. That is awesome. I love that.
Do you want to give him a spin for the camera?
Whee! Oh, he will spin only half.
Where's he going to go?
He is going to go, right, he's not super heavy, so that's good, so he won't fall off the tree. Unlike the other one. I need to take this off as well, don't I? I'll do that in a bit. He could go, oh no, he's there. I kind of want him to go there. I think I might have to move the apple.
Yeah, swap the apple out.
Swap the apple, because we've got lots of them.
The apples are merely placeholders on the tree.
Yeah. Let's put him quite far in so he doesn't pull down the branch too much. Oh, okay, no, he is super duper heavy compared to our tree, what our tree can handle. But maybe he can just balance, and
There
then I'll
it is.
sort him out in a bit.
And maybe take the
Yay!
label
And I'll
off.
take the label off. Thank you, my
Thursday 5.
darling.
No, you can't come in for a kiss. You're on
Thank
video.
you,
There you go.
Stephen. Hobbs, you are the most eager dog about this I've ever come across. Okay.
Hobbs. Yes.
He also got number 6 is a very big one, so I took them out. And look what we've got inside! A marquee for each of you! Right, Tixie coming over? No, apparently not. Okay, Hobbs, shake. Good boy. No, sit and shake. There you go, sweetheart. Tix, come on. Come here. Why are you scared?
Can't take it.
Tix. Okay, sit. Good girl. Don't take it up to the sofa. Good girl. Yay!
She'll be on the bed now.
Oh, God. She can't get up to our
Was that
bed.
nice, Hobbs? Yeah, was that nice?
Oh,
Was that nice?
baby. No, that's all for now. He was about to grab the
he's
whole can.
looking for more, yeah.
Oh, brilliant. Alright guys, well I think that means it's time for bed for us. And we are very excited because we're launching something new tomorrow. So I will show you all of that tomorrow, but we're going to stay up and do a few pictures. And then all will be revealed in Vlogmas Day 7. Have a lovely night. Bye.